I'm thoroughly impressed with the Byoma Barrier Repair Treatment. This rich, creamy formula has been a lifesaver for my combination skin, providing long-lasting hydration and soothing relief to dry, damaged areas. Despite its thick consistency, the treatment feels surprisingly lightweight on the skin. I prefer to use it at night as my last step, allowing it to seal in all my previous products and work its magic while I sleep. The formula boasts an impressive blend of ingredients, including avocado oil, Ecotin, Squalene, and Maracuja oil, which work together to deliver barrier-supporting actives, maintain balanced hydration, and support skin renewal. I've been using the barrier repair treatment for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a significant reduction in redness and skin sensitivity. My skin feels more comfortable, and the fine lines and wrinkles have started to diminish. While it's suitable for all skin types, I think this treatment would be especially beneficial for those with dry, mature skin. It's also perfect for spot-treating dry patches or using as a daily rich moisturizer. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the barrier repair treatment, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking to repair and restore their skin's natural barrier.